Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to find the value of function of 1 plus function of 2 plus function of 3 up to function of 100, where function of n is equal to 3n square minus 3n plus 1. We have given function of n is equal to 3n square minus 3n plus 1. Now taking summation to both sides, we can write summation of n is equal to 1 to n. Function of n is equal to summation of n is equal to 1 to n 3n square minus 3n plus 1 is equal to, according to distributive law of summation, we can write summation of n is equal to 1 to n 3n square minus summation of n is equal to 1 to n of 3n plus summation of n is equal to 1 to n of 1 is equal to, this 3 is constant, so it can be write out of this summation. So we can write 3 summation of n is equal to 1 to n of n square, and similarly taking this 3 out of this summation, we can write negative 3 of summation n is equal to 1 to n of this n plus summation of n is equal to 1 to n of 1 is equal to 3. According to formula, summation of n square n is equal to 1 to n is n times n plus 1 times twice n plus 1 over 6 minus this 3, and according to summation of n is equal to 1 to n is n times n plus 1 over 2, and summation of 1 n is equal to 1 to n is n is equal to, simplifying 3 over 6 as 1 over 2, so we can write n times n plus 1 times twice n plus 1 over 2 minus 3 n times n plus 1 over 2 plus n is equal to, taking common n times n plus 1 over 2 from these two terms, we can write n times n plus 1 over 2, here it will remain twice n plus 1, and taking common n times n plus 1 over 2 from this term, it will remain negative 3 plus this n is equal to n times n plus 1 over 2, this twice n, and 1 minus 3 is negative 2 plus n is equal to n times n plus 1 over 2, taking common 2 from here, we can write 2 times n minus 1 plus n is equal to, this 2 and this 2 will cancel out, so it will remain n times n plus 1 times this n minus 1 plus this n is equal to n, applying formula a plus b times a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. We can write it as n square minus 1 square, so n square minus 1 square is 1 plus this n is equal to, multiplying these terms, we can write n times n square is n cube minus n times 1 is n plus this n. This negative n and this positive n will cancel out, so it will remain n cube. So summation of n is equal to 1 to n function of n is equal to n cube. Now when n is equal to 100, summation of n is equal to 1 to 100 function of n is equal to 100 cube. That means when n is equal to 1, function of 1 plus when n is equal to 2, function of 2 plus when n is equal to 3, function of 3 up to when n is equal to 100, function of 100 is equal to 1. So 1 million. This is the value of function of 1 plus function of 2 plus function of 3 plus function of 4 up to function of 100. So this is the answer of this problem. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.